Happy Father's Day to all daddies in the world. Guess what? I'm gonna tell you something about my dad. My unforgettable childhood memories with my dad was,
There aren't many of us who can resist a pancakes, the simplicity of a warm, light treat filled with endlessly adaptable based on what you have on hand. With these simple ingredients, you'll be able to whip up some super tasty pancakes. Let's begin. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, then add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then mix all together. Next, add 1 cup of milk, followed by 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next, 1 egg. Let's mix all together. Moving on, let's add 1 ripe banana. Mash. Then, mix the mashed banana to our pancake mixture. Whisk until all combined. In addition, let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. On a high heat temperature, let's heat a griddle up and coat with a butter. Pour about 1/4 cup for each pancake. Then, cook 3 to 4 minutes. Bubbles will form on the top of the pancakes. It's a fact of life. Almost everyone likes pancakes. It's easy to see why. They're tasty, they're quick, and you can add almost any toppings you like. You'll flip for these delicious and easy pancake recipes. These recipes make breakfast at home fun and are perfect for the whole family. These are my favorite toppings. I love using banana, raspberries, walnuts. So good. And also, I love putting chia seeds. And of course, powdered sugar can't be missed. Lastly, top with melted chocolate syrup. So good. This recipe calls for the basic pancake ingredients. The addition of mashed banana gives the pancakes their trademark flavor and adds a lot of moisture without adding any ton of fat. That is cooking simply delicious.
what I love about my dad, when I was a kid, he taught me how to milk a water buffalo. So I remember when I was like 5 years old, he taught me how to milk it. Milking the water buffalo was so easy. You just pull tight. You can't press it hard because the water buffalo is gonna kick you. And that was my breakfast every morning. That's why every time that I go back to the Philippines, I still look for that water buffalo milk because it was so good. So weird, right? But I love it so much. Happy Father's Day to all daddies in the world. I hope you like the pancakes I made for you.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.